is not just a collection of metal parts laid out on a table. It is the heart of a machine that has defined power, sound, and presence for generations. Every piece you see here has been carefully removed, separated and placed with intention, revealing a story that is usually hidden beneath layers of steel and motion. At first glance, it may seem like a complex puzzle. Different shapes, different sizes, polished surfaces alongside rugged textures, but nothing here is random. Every single component has a role, a responsibility, and a precise place where it belongs. Together they create something far greater than the sum of their parts. Right at the center of this layout lies the crankshaft solid. Heavy engineered with absolute precision, this is where raw motion begins its transformation. When the engine is alive, the crankshaft spins with controlled force, turning vertical movement into rotation, turning combustion into motion, turning energy into something you can feel. It is designed to endure immense pressure, constant stress, and relentless cycles without losing balance. Close to it, you'll notice the pistons. These compact, yet powerful components are responsible for translating energy into movement. They travel up and down inside their chambers at incredible speed, driven by controlled explosions that happen in fractions of a second. Every rise and fall is perfectly timed, perfectly measured. There is no room for error here. Even the smallest imbalance can disrupt the entire system. Encasing those pistons are the cylinders, smooth and precisely machined. Their inner surfaces are designed to reduce friction while handling extreme temperatures. This is where fuel and air combine, where ignition takes place, and where power is created. It's a controlled environment, engineered to contain chaos and convert it into something useful. Then there are the valves, small but critical. They regulate the flow of air and fuel entering the system and allow exhaust gases to exit. Their movement is not random. It is synchronized down to the smallest fraction of time. They open and close in harmony with the pistons, ensuring that the engine breathes correctly, efficiently, and consistently. Connected to this delicate timing is the camshaft. As it rotates, it pushes the valves open and allows them to close. With precision, its shape, its rotation, its alignment, everything about it is calculated. Without it, the system would lose coordination, and the engine would fail to perform. Linking the pistons to the crankshaft are the connecting rods, strong, durable, and built to handle continuous stress. They transfer motion from one component to another. They are the bridge between force and movement, between explosion and rotation. Without them, there is no continuity, no flow, no rhythm spread across the table. You can also see the gears, each one carefully cut, each tooth precisely shaped. These gears ensure that motion is transferred smoothly, that power is distributed effectively. There is a quiet elegance in how they function. No wasted movement, no unnecessary resistance. Surrounding all of these internal components is the engine casing. It might look like just an outer shell, but it is far more than that. It provides structure, alignment, and protection. It holds everything in place, ensuring that every moving part operates within its designated path. It absorbs vibration, manages stress, and keeps the entire system stable. You might also notice smaller components, bolts, seals, rings, fasteners. They may seem insignificant compared to larger parts, but they are just as important. They hold everything together, maintain pressure, prevent leaks, and ensure durability. Without them, even the most advanced design would fall apart. As you continue to observe this layout, something becomes clear. This is not just engineering. This is coordination. This is precision, at a level where even the smallest detail matters. Every curve, every edge, every measurement has been carefully considered. Now imagine this still image coming to life. Imagine each part slowly lifting from the table, as if guided by an invisible force. The crankshaft rises and settles into its position. The pistons align perfectly with their cylinders. The connecting rods bridge the gap between motion and rotation. Valves slide into place, followed by the camshaft, locking everything into synchronization. Piece by piece, the structure begins to form. The casing encloses the system. Securing it, the gears interlock, ready to transfer power. Every bolt tightens. Every seal fits, every gap disappears. What once looked like a scattered collection of parts now transforms into a unified system. This is where complexity becomes simplicity, because once assembled, all of this disappears behind a single function. The engine runs, and when it runs, it doesn't just move, it communicates. It produces a sound that is instantly recognizable, a deep, powerful rhythm that reflects everything happening inside. Every rotation of the crankshaft, every movement of the pistons, every ignition cycle contributes to that sound. It is not just noise, it is mechanical expression, and that expression is the result of perfect harmony between all these components. What makes this even more remarkable is durability. These parts are not designed for a moment. They are designed for endurance, for miles of road, for changing conditions. For heat, pressure, and time, they are built to last. To perform, to deliver consistently. Looking at this disassembled engine, you are witnessing something rare. Usually, all of this is hidden, enclosed, moving too fast to be seen. But here, everything is exposed. Every function is visible. Every role is clear. It gives you a new perspective. You begin to understand. That power is not just about size or speed. It is about precision. It is about balance. It is about how well each component performs its role and how perfectly it interacts with the others. And when everything comes together, when every part does exactly what it was designed to do, something extraordinary happens. You don't just get motion, you get performance. You get reliability, you get character. Because an engine like this is not just a machine. It is a system built on discipline, on engineering excellence, on attention to detail, that goes far beyond what the eye can see. As the final piece locks into place, and the system becomes whole again, there is a moment of silence before motion begins, a moment where everything is ready, aligned and waiting, and then it starts. The crankshaft turns. The pistons move, the valves open and close. The entire system comes alive, from stillness to motion, from parts to power, from design to reality. And what was once a table full of separate components is now a single unified force. This is not just assembly, this is transformation. A transformation that turns engineering into experience, mechanics into motion, and design into something you can feel. And once you've seen it like this, piece by piece, step by step, you never look at an engine the same way again.